Oh, there is a brisk breeze blowing right at me. Now usually you climb up over this ridge, there's, like most beaches, there's a vast stretch of sandy land before you even get to the ocean. So I don't know what it's gonna look like over this ridge. Oh. Yeah. There's no beach.
Steve the Amateur Historian.
Yeah, there's supposed to be like the water, here should be like way off there. Oh my god, look at all the foam. I need to be, hold on. I need to tie my pants off. My pajama pants are kind of slipping a little bit. So if I need to run because some sneaker waves coming up on me, I gotta make sure I keep my pants on. Ah, it's bubbling. Oh my god, it's so windy and these birds don't know what the hell to think. There goes the bubbles. Where you going, Bubbles? Oh, they're blowing away. Oh, they're blowing at. Come on, boys! Yeah, it's not really, I guess it's a little bit of a sneaker. It's a little bit of a sneaker wave. Oh, God! Oh! Like they say, never turn your back on the ocean. You never know when the other side's gonna come get you. I mean, look! Got pretty close. Well done. Because, yeah, this hadn't really been hit. Whoa! Ah! Yeah! Keep your suds off me! Shit! It's not really cold, it's just the wind is just intense. And yeah, this is getting a little closer to us. Look at this. Oh my god. It's like there's so much that it's just like stopping the water. Dude. That is... I mean, I've seen bubbles, on the shore, but I've never seen anything like this before. Hey, that rhymed. Oh, save me! Save me! It's not gonna save me! Oh, snap. Oh, wait, this is just that wasn't even the water. You fooled me. Some bitches fooled me. Look at this. They're like just sea lions trying to roll away. Seriously, all jokes aside, I could have fun with this all day. This is Coast Guard. It's like, get off the beach, you son of a bitch. What are you doing down there? Get out of there. Guys like that are out today to save stupid people like me that are crouched down on the beach. Uh-oh, we got reinforcements. Oh no, my ankle's tightening up. Oh, not a great time. Not a great time. Ah! Whew. That was not... The moment I started running away, my ankle tightened up, so I had to start hobbling. Whew. Lord. That was fun, but I did it, America. And I did it for you. Oh my God. So